एटीएम से यहाँ तक का रास्ता तो सिर्फ 10 मिनट का है ना, बाकी 25 मिनट क्या कर रहे थे?
அந்த இடம் ரொம்ப டேஞ்சரான இடம்.
Today I am going to give a detail of all movies and web series streaming on OTT platforms this week. Let's start with a C movie. Streaming on Z5 only in Hindi language from April 17th. Badass Ravi Kumar movie streaming on Jio Hotstar only in Hindi language from April 18th. Toaster movie streaming on Netflix in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, English languages from April 17th. Do Divane Shehar Mein movie streaming on Netflix only in Hindi language from April 17th. Matka King web series season 1 streaming on Prime Video in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam languages from April 17th. Ustad Bhagat Singh movie streaming on Netflix in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada languages from April 16th. Aa Gang Repu 3 movie streaming on Aha Video only in Telugu language from April 16th. Samrat web series season 1 streaming on ETV Win only in Telugu language from April 17th. Pochamma web series season 1 streaming on Aha Video only in Telugu and Tamil languages from April 17th. Youth movie streaming on Netflix in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Hindi languages from April 16th. Sambhavam Adhyayam Onnu movie streaming on Jio Hotstar in Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi languages from April 15th. Aap Kaise Ho movie streaming on Manorama Max only in Malayalam languages from April 17th. Ashakal Ayiram movie streaming on Z5 only in Malayalam language from April 17th. Rubab movie streaming on Z5 only in Marathi language from April 14th. Bhanupriya Bhootar Hotel movie streaming on Z5 only in Bengali language from April 15th. Euphoria web series season 3 weekly episodes streaming on Jio Hotstar only in English language from April 13th. Noah K. Kahan out of body documentary streaming on Netflix only in Hindi and English languages from April 13th. Untold Jailblazers documentary streaming on Netflix only in English language from April 14th. Tamir Lane Rise of the Last Conqueror movie streaming on Netflix only in English language from April 14th. All You Need Is Kill movie streaming on Prime Video only in English from April 14th. The AI Doc or How I Became an Apocalyptimist movie streaming on Prime Video only in English from April 14th. The Gates movie streaming on Prime Video only in English language from April 14th. The Highest Stakes movie streaming on Prime Video only in English from April 14th. The Love That Remains movie streaming on Prime Video only in English from April 14th. Reminders of Him movie streaming on Prime Video only in Hindi and English languages from April 14th. Slanted movie streaming on Prime Video only in English from April 14th. Undertone movie streaming on Prime Video only in English from April 14th. Off the Grid movie streaming on Netflix only in Hindi and English languages from April 15th. Finding Harry, The Craft Behind the Magic movie streaming on Jio Hotstar only in English language from April 15th. $1 Million Secret web series season 2 streaming on Netflix only in English language from April 15th. Balls Up movie streaming on Prime Video only in English language from April 15th. Beef web series season 2 streaming on Netflix in English and Hindi languages from April 16th. The Roommates movie is streaming on Netflix only in English, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi languages from April 17th. 180 movie is streaming on Netflix in English, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi languages from April 17th. The Gorilla Story documentary is streaming on Netflix in English, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi languages from April 17th. Twisted movie is streaming on Netflix in English language from April 17th. Full Swing web series season 4 is streaming on Netflix in English language from April 17th. Lego Friend The Next Chapter web series season 4 is streaming on Netflix only in English language from April 17th. Atropia movie is streaming on Mubi only in English language from April 17th. Ballistic movie is streaming on Prime Video only in English language from April 17th. Brothers Under Fire movie is streaming on Prime Video only in English language from April 17th. Dust Bunny movie is streaming on HBO Max only in English language from April 17th. The Napa Boys movie is streaming on Prime Video only in English language from April 17th. Night Patrol movie is streaming on Prime Video only in English language from April 17th. Shell by Oaks movie is streaming on Hulu only in English language from April 17th. The Twisters movie is streaming on Prime Video only in English language from April 17th. Crooks web series season 2 is streaming on Netflix in German and Hindi and English languages from April 14th. Someone Has to Know web series is streaming on Netflix in Spanish and English languages from April 15th. Fake Profile web series season 3 is streaming on Netflix in Spanish, English and Hindi languages from April 15th. The Law According to Lydia Poet web series season 3 is streaming on Netflix only in Italian and English languages from April 15th. Alpha Male web series season 5 is streaming on Netflix only in Spanish and English language from April 17th. Made with Love web series is streaming on Netflix only in Indonesia and English languages from April 15th. MF Ghost web series season 3 is streaming on Netflix only in Japanese from April 15th. Ronaldinho The One and Only documentary is streaming on Netflix only in Portuguese and English languages from April 16th. Agape The Unconditional Love movie is streaming on Netflix only in Indonesia language from April 16th. Dandelion web series is streaming on Netflix only in Japanese language from April 16th. Baby Finn Sing Along movie Into the Pink Fong World is streaming on Netflix only in Korean language from April 17th. So guys, this is all about movies and web series releases on OTT platforms this week. Please subscribe and like the video for more updates, and thank you guys. Meet you in the next video.